Okay, so here's an update on my tower. I came in after being gone for a few days, and I have a tremendous leak here. I don't know what happened. The water's all gone. Look how limp these are looking. These are looking like crap. Everything's looking horrible here in this tower. Hopefully I can save it. And now I've got some more water in there, and I don't know where the leak is going, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. But not looking great. And I'm very upset because everything was looking so good. I really hope that tomorrow these things pick back up again and get some more water in there and look better again. But man, I'm so upset. Very sad. These ones here are growing though. The tomatoes are actually starting to become real plants. I gotta figure out what to do with those next. My carrots are starting to grow here. Got a few of those. The red peppers, they don't do much. That's it. And I did print a snap pea and a cucumber ones for those that are growing. I guess we can go check on those and see how those are doing. Let's see. Okay, we'll check on the growth here. Let's see, what is this one here? This is cucumber. And the cucumbers look like, oh, they're starting to sprout. I got a few of those that are sprouting. That's looking great. Excellent. Wasn't sure what was going to happen with those. I don't even know how to grow them. We'll see what happens once they start growing. Let's move that aside. And then what was this one? This one is snap peas. So it looks like we got a little bit of snap pea growth. Like if you look, I don't know, is it gonna focus in? Yeah. Like there, something's happening there. I think these peas are starting to grow. I forgot I never even put the water over it or anything like that. I put them in and they were the dry cubes, but I guess we're doing good. They're starting to grow. A few of them. There's one's over here. So that's looking good. I'm excited. Here, I'll just move that aside here and we'll look at the next one. Let's see what else we got over here. This one is spinach. So let's see, how's the spinach looking? It looks like we've got a couple of grows. It looks like, I don't know if that's got mold on it or something. It looks like it's got mold on the top. I don't know, maybe that's just the way it is, but this one's growing. And these, not much happening on this side. These were 6 different ones, and those were 6 different ones. So we'll see. We'll keep them going and see what happens on the spinach. Not a whole lot with that. I'm surprised. What is this one here? This one here is strawberries. So have we got any strawberries going here yet? Looks like there might be a little bit of growth right there of something happening in the strawberry. Yeah, looks like a few of these might have a little bit. They're very thin. These might take a while. That one's got something there. So, strawberries are starting to grow. Exciting. I love strawberries. I'm excited for those most. And then here's my butter crunch. So we're doing good with that. We've always done something with the sprouting of it. This time I'm going to let it grow a lot longer before I put it in the tower. So hopefully it'll grow once it hits the tower. So that's the update on what's going on with the grow, and nothing on the printer right now. I think with some of these ones here, with these cucumbers, and then I printed these as four-way ones, so I may try to fabricate one of these trellis-y kind of things for those that will have, that'll support a 4-hole opening. So we're gonna give that a shot and see if I can fabricate one of those in Fusion and see how that goes. So that's it. So hopefully the water will go good. I'm gonna go clean up my mess here, and hopefully it won't leak anymore. We'll see what happens though, but at least I'm in town for a little bit, so I'll keep an eye on it.